Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Personalize. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section. And here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Under it we've got the list of available wallpapers from which we can choose, which are pre-installed. Here we've got also My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got something which is called Create with AI, so basically you can simply use AI to customize it, and you have to either take a photo or choose it from your previous photos. Dynamic, and here we've got pre-installed ones. Here we've got, I believe, animated options, and I will pick this one. So just let me tap on download, and you will need the internet connection obviously to be able to use it. And here curated images. After tapping on it, you can tap on change wallpaper again, and here we've got much more options from which we can choose. I mean, here we've got also pre-installed wallpapers, and they are also categorized into different albums like earth, like solid colors, etc. So a lot of things to choose from. I'll pick live wallpapers. So this is the wallpaper I've already downloaded, so let me tap on it, and now after checking the preview of the home screen and the lock screen, simply tap on the stick icon to to confirm it. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, and the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.